My child, now you have come to me. There is no need to be bothered. I will deal with your problems. You just eat comfortably. Ma. Oh child, me and Mataji are not different. We only appear in two different bodies, but internally we are eternally one. Father, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book title Mahashakti Ki Lok Yatra. Worldly Journey of a Super Energy's Divine Mother Incarnation. Mahashakti Ki Lok Yatra is a virtuous life history of Vandaniya Ma Bhagwati Devi Sharma. The book describes her versatile and multidimensional life, which is an example for millions of women. This book reflects light on her sacred, pious, and spiritual life and how she exemplified and dignified and gracefully life of Indian women in all its entirety. Sambhavami Yuge Yuge is a Sanskrit phrase which means whenever such a situation arises where the evil becomes more powerful than good, God incarnates himself with his Leela Shakti, that is referring to the infinite energy that incarnates along him to complete this act, in the form of divine power to destroy the evil so that his world can live in peace. History of Indian mythology is full of examples of stories with such references. Lord Buddha accompanied with Yashodhara, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnated with goddess Vishnupriya, Mata Sharda incarnated along with Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans and helped him in all his divine work. In this present age, same divine power embodied as Mata Bhagwati Devi to help Vedmurti Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya in his divine work while presenting to the world the traits of humanity through an ideal wife, devotion, ideal mother, love and care, ideal disciple, tenacity, ideal yoga meditator, skill born out of devotion, and so on. She proved with her own life example how women can shower so much love and care for the entire humanity while taking care of all her worldly duties and still reaching the pinnacle of realization and devotion. Few excerpts from the book: self study of scriptures, regular meditation. These were the essential features of her life. Despite being the youngest in the house, she used to take care of all the members of her family. She always took care of everybody's needs wherever and whatever was needed. A thought kept coming in deep consciousness of teenager Bhagwati. She started feeling an eternal force towards Lord Shiva. After a while, she started experiencing some other divine visuals during deep meditative hours. Many types of questions kept on arising. Who is this Mahayogi Shiva who appears in front of her during the meditation? Is Lord Shiva really incarnated on earth? These and many such questions used to arise to her in those days. To get an answer to all these, she decided to intensify and meditation more. The meaning of being a mother was not limited by just giving birth only to children. Mother does not become a mother by just giving birth, but mother is the one who gives the best values to her children, devote her life in them to create sentiments, nurture them properly so that they grow and flourish just like a beautiful garden when it gets manured with water and nutrients. My child, now you have come to me. There is no need to be bothered. I will deal with your problems. You just eat comfortably. Few topics covered in the book: motherhood is emotion of all, divine experiences during the childhood, delightful childhood activities, incarnation of divine power in a distinctive time, not only for her family but mother to all, cosmic revelation, Ma's assurance to her children, important attainments of most venerable mother.